In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a digital Canva planner and sell it on Etsy. This process is straightforward, and even if you've never used Canva before, you'll be able to follow along easily. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to visit Canva and type planner into the search bar. This will bring up a variety of planner templates that you can choose from. Don't worry if you're not exactly sure which one to pick just yet. You have options, and you can take some time to browse through to find one that resonates with your style or the vision you have for your planner. Once you've decided on a template that you like, your next step is to select it. When you click on a template in Canva, you'll see the option to customize this template. Go ahead and click on that. This feature allows you to make the planner uniquely yours, adjusting it to fit your needs or the preferences of your targeted audience. Now, with the template open in Canva's editor, you have the freedom to get creative. You can edit the text in this planner, changing fonts, sizes and colors to suit your aesthetic or branding. The customization doesn't stop there. Canva offers a wide array of elements that you can add, such as stickers, lines, shapes and images. Simply click on the Elements tab, and from there you can drag and drop whatever you think will enhance your planner's design. Remember, your ultimate goal is to create something that not only looks appealing but is also functional for those who will eventually use it. So keep usability in mind as you customize your design, highlight important sections, consider the user flow, and think about how someone might interact with the planner digitally. When you're satisfied with the look of your planner, it's crucial to decide on your export settings. You'll want to make sure the planner looks great on screen and is easy to download for buyers. Save your design as a PDF to maintain high quality and ensure it's compatible across various devices. Finally, it's time to bring your creation to market by listing it on Etsy. When setting up your Etsy listing, provide high quality images of your planner, detail what makes it unique, and use keywords to help potential buyers find it. Additionally, make certain that your pricing aligns with what other digital planners are selling for, but also reflects the time and effort you've put into your design. There you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating and selling your very own digital Canva planner on Etsy. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I can't wait to see what you create. Stay creative and happy designing.